Hi guys, my name is Claudia from Hashtagr, and I'm here to give you an explanation as to why you should be using our drill in feature to find the best hashtags to reach your niche. Let's get started. So I opened the Hashtagr app on my phone. You can find it in the Google Play Store or the App Store, no matter what device you're using. And then when it opens up, we can see that it just says search hashtags. So I'm going to be posting a picture of my dog. He's really cute, and I'll insert a picture of him here. And so I want the best hashtags so that dog lovers can find pictures of my dog. My account is relatively small. It's just over 1,000 followers, so that's something I'm going to keep in mind when looking for hashtags, and I'll show you what I mean. So if I just search dog, the tag dog has been used 249 million times on Instagram. With my small account, there's no way that my photo is going to even really make a blip or stand out in that feed. So I want to be really specific and targeted about the tags that I'm using. So I'm not going to use something as big as dog. He is a mixed breed. We don't know what he's mixed from, but we adopted him into our home, and he's been the best addition ever since. So I'm going to search adopt, don't shop, because I've heard that term a lot when it comes to picking out a dog. And so the term adopt, don't shop has been used 32 million times. Again, that's too big of a tag for me. But adopt, don't shop with two paws, the two paw print emoji behind it, has only been used 500,000 times. That's getting better into the likeliness that my post will be seen. If I scroll down a little bit, there's adopt, don't shop with a dog emoji behind it. That one has been used 8,802 times. That's much more reasonable of a hashtag for me to be investing in. So I'm going to push the green arrow and add that to my list right away. But I'm also going to push on that plus sign next to it, and it will drill in and see if it can find any other hashtags that are related to that. There are much bigger tags like rescue dog that come up, and then there are even more niche, smaller ones that pop up. Rescue is the best breed is one of them as well. So I'm going to add that one. Let's see. Some of these are still relatively big, so I'm not going to use some of the ones that I find here. We're going to keep looking for smaller, more targeted hashtags so my post will get the attention it deserves. Let's see. Adopt, don't shop with the paw print emoji and the dog has only been used 1,120 times. So I'm going to add that one to my list right away. Rescue dogs of IG has only been used 211,000 times, which is much smaller. And Mutt's rule is even smaller than that. Those are still relatively large tags, but they are much more manageable in the chances that my post will be featured. Rescue dogs of, if you click on a hashtag, it opens Instagram and it shows you the different photos that come up in the top ones. I'll show you guys what I'm seeing on my screen right now. It's a bunch of really cute dogs. So this is a really good example that this is a perfect tag for me. So I'm going to switch back over to Hashtagr, and I'm going to add that one to my list because all those dogs are really cute, but my dog is cuter. So I've got 30 hashtags here. I think I'm going to get rid of the relatively large ones. So now I have 26. I have 26 selected that you can see here, and I'm going to copy those to my clipboard right away. You can also play with some of the filters, all 30 hashtags, selection size. You can order or randomize them, and then don't forget to save your list of what you searched for. So you use that little save button, and I'm going to name this collection Cooper because that's the name of my dog. And I'm going to put a dog emoji just because. And save that, and now that collection is saved, and now those hashtags are copied to my clipboard. I can hop on over to Instagram, put up the photo of my really cute dog, add a funny caption, add those hashtags, post, and then watch my engagement grow. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you guys have any questions, I will put my email here, and you can also reach out to us on our Facebook page. It's Hashtagr. I will put that link right here as well. And we have our Instagram account, so be sure to follow Hashtagr on Instagram. We'll see you guys soon. Happy hashtagging!